In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use your computer keyboard as a piano in FL Studio. Let's get started. First, open FL Studio. Once it's open, go to the top menu bar and click on File. From the drop-down, select New Basic 808 to create a new project. If you're already working on a project, you can also add the basic 808 channels to your existing setup. Once your project is ready, look at the top toolbar and find the Typing Keyboard to Piano Keyboard option. Click on this button. That's it. Now your computer keyboard is mapped to play piano notes. When you press keys on your keyboard, you'll hear the notes being played. To customize the notes or the layout of your keyboard, right-click the same Typing Keyboard to Piano Keyboard button. A menu will appear with several options to adjust your setup. For example, you can select a specific root note like E or change the layout to Janko. Once you've made your selections, you can test it out to hear the new configuration. And that's all you need to know to use your computer keyboard as a piano in FL Studio. Thank you for watching.